a number line. It's always easy to use a number line, but if you want to use a different method, you can. So what we're going to do at the moment is look at the difference here. So it says a TV program starts at 5:40 and lasts for 40 minutes. What time does it finish? So we know the start time, which is 5:40, which is here. So we've got to add 40 minutes to this. We know in 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. So I know this jump here will be 20 minutes, but I'm going to count to make sure. Count, it goes up in fives. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So that's plus 20 minutes. So I've added 20, I've got another 20 left. So 5, 10, 15, 20, there it is, plus another 20. So this time here is 6:20. And there's your answer. The next task, when you go on to the lesson, is problems here. So you've got a diver starts. So a diver has 45 minutes of air in their tank. They start diving at 5:55. What time would they finish? Again, best way to do it is a number line. So there's a start, there's a finish. Starting time, 5:55. So they've got 45 minutes. I'm going to add 5 minutes, which will get me to the next hour, which is 6 o'clock. Then I'm going to add 40 minutes, and it'll get me to 6:40. So that's how you would do it. So the next one, a jogger starts running at 2:45 and runs for 40 minutes. So again, 2:45 is my start. I'm going to add 15 minutes. So total is 40, but I'm going to add 15 to make it to the whole hour. That gets me to 3 o'clock. I'm going to do, now if I do 40 take away 15, you've got to think about what you're left with. So you've got to make sure at each point you're actually using everything there. So I've got 25 minutes I'm going to add on now. So 15 add 25, I know it's 40. So from 3 o'clock add 25 minutes, it's 3:25, and that's my answer. So always draw a number line and always think about how many minutes there are in an hour, which will help you. Next one. Right, this one's a bit tricky because you're not adding, you're going backwards. A cake took 1 hour and 35 minutes to bake. It came out of the oven at 4:10. What time did it go in the oven? So this time we're starting off here. So this is our starting point, and we're going backwards. We're going backwards 1 hour and 35 minutes. So I'm going to go back 1 hour first. So I'm going to go from 4:10, and as you can see, it goes up in 5 minutes. I'm going to go all the way back to 3:10. So big jump here. That's minus 1 hour. Now I've got 35 minutes. Now I know that bit there is 10, so I'm going to do 10 there. That's 10 minutes. I've got 25 minutes left, so I'm going to count up in my fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I end up there. So I'm on 2:35. So my answer is 2:35. So that's how you would do it. Always use a number line. Always remember how many minutes that we have in an hour. 60 minutes in 1 hour. Right, this one's a little different and a little trickier. A plane takes off at 7:44 and lands at 9:20. How long did the flight take? So what we've got to do is work out the amount of time from 7:44, which is over here, and 9:20. So from 44 to 8, so 7:44 to 8 o'clock, it's 16 minutes. Then I'm going to do from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. That's 1 hour. So all the way here. My line's going a bit off. Then from 9 o'clock to 9:20, it's 20 minutes. Now I need to do 16 minutes, add 1 hour, add 20 minutes, which equals 1 hour and 36 minutes. So that's how you'd work that one out. I'm going to leave you with a little challenge, okay? So I'm going to give you some times. You've got to tell me how long it will take to get to the next hour. So I'm going to do it now so you can see me right then. Right, so if I had 6:54, how long will it take to get to the next hour? Make the writing huge. 7:45, 4:23, 16:43, 12:22, 5:16. How long will it take to get to the next hour? That's your challenge that I'm going to leave you with. So the question is, how long till you get to the next hour? For example, if I had 5:45, the next hour would be 6. So how long will it take me to get to 6 o'clock? I know it will take me 15 minutes. There's your example. Hopefully that helps. But you've got your challenge and you've got your task. And each number line is there and I've explained how to work it out. Best thing to do is go through it, pause the video, then go back through it, play it again if you don't understand it. If anyone has any questions, just drop an email on the Year 4 email address and I'll try and explain it in more detail if you need any extra help. Or if you have specific questions, just drop an email. So always remember there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. That's the main thing that you've got to remember here, okay? You've got to, the best way to do it is if you draw a circle and actually draw the minutes on, it will help you if you draw a clock. The number line is always there to help. Think about the amount of jumps you are doing. Think about the value of each jump. If one jump's 5 minutes, how small will it be? Think about the gap in between. So the gaps in between here on your number line, what will they stand for? So here it was going up in 5 minutes, so it's easy to work it out. What's easier for you? Do the best way that's possible for you. Hopefully this helps. All the best with your work. Enjoy the weather, and for those of you celebrating Ramadan, have a good Ramadan and keep it blessed. Have a good day and take care.